This is the static electricity lighting the fire in the kitchen. Plasmic electricity. Take one. Alright, go. Action. I'll edit all that out. What are we doing? This is never gonna work.
Make the cone into.
You can't start a fire with a.
Caden, come on.
plasmic
What
ball.
are you thinking? You're not. Shut up, Gage.
Alright, James. Alright, cut. Alright, now we're recording.
Okay, we're good now. Go.
Alright.
Hey, you want to try to start a fire with this? I don't think it'll work, but we're gonna try to start a fire. It's probably not gonna work, but try to get this video to at least 20
Million.
not 20 million. 200 likes. 200 likes.
Nobody does that.
I have like 30 viewers, so we'd be lucky if we get 3 likes.
200 likes, and we'll do some more crazy stuff like this.
Kill the fruit flies over here. Just kill the fruit flies.
That's not how it
One
works.
dead.
It doesn't start a fire.
Need paper.
It doesn't
got
start a fire. It just cuts it. We're gonna try to put like the wood right there. The wood. This right here. The wood stick. It was smoking, and then put paper right there, and then it might catch. See, you can see like a little flame. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but
Micro welding.
yeah, it's like welding. Oh wow. No, you do that, and I'll put like a little tiny piece of paper up against it.
Touch it.
Heck no, I'm not touching that. You touch it.
Well, what happens if you touch it?
I'm shocked.
You're gonna get burned. I'll touch it. Hold on, let me see. Let me get burned. I'm not afraid.
It's about to.
No, you have to barely touch it.
I'm not afraid.
No, you just have
Get in close.
No, you
Get
don't
in
need.
close.
You don't need that. You just touch it. You don't need
Whoa. I am getting electrocuted.
GoPro.
Look, it burned my finger.
GoPros, bro.
It's not, bro.
Ow.
That burned my finger. What is that?
What is that?
Don't you?
I still can't believe that thing burned my finger. These things are supposed to be safe for kids.
Please like and subscribe. This is a very, very dangerous video. It's not dangerous. It's not dangerous.
I already got burned.
Exactly.
Katie's cooking some bacon. Is that like the dog's bacon?
What is that? It's like a dog food.
The dog will like it.
Dog?
Alright, now that we have our plasma
Treat.
See if the dog agrees. Let's see. Yep, dogs like freshly
Cheers.
static electricity charged bacon bits.
How about big dog?
Bro, this GoPro is just a piece of garbage.
It's still recording. The screen goes off after a while.
Oh.
You're still making videos. You have to turn it on and leave it on.
Video of big dog.
Otherwise it just goes like that. It goes,
That's weird.
oh, it hurt like 30 minutes.
Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. We should be making more videos like skating maybe or basketball, but just leave it in the comments. Subscribe, like, let's try to get to 200 subscribers by the end of 2022. And see you later.